Hello and welcome to this first session. We're going to start by installing Unity and just installing the asset packs that we need for this project. Okay, so the version of Unity that I'm using is 2019.2.9, which is the latest version at this time. So this is October 2019. If you're using an early version, I would definitely recommend upgrading, okay, because these later versions are really good. So in an empty scene, one that you've just created, just jump over to the asset store. And if you're not seeing that for any reason, obviously it's just Window, General, and it's the asset store there. Okay, and obviously it'll open this tab. Obviously just make sure that you sign in, so I'll do that in a second, and then search for the assets in this search bar and just download them. So if you haven't done so already and you've not downloaded Unity yet, just go to the unity.com website. Just click Get Started. It's the individual that you want, not the business one, and it's the personal free. Just click Get Started. New users is fine. Agree to their terms. Okay, so just have a quick read through those and then download the Unity Hub. And from there, you can obviously manage all of your projects and all of your different installs. So it will allow you to actually install Unity. Okay, so once we're in Unity, I want you to download, first of all, the Unity Particle Pack. Now this is Unity Particle Pack 2018. It's really great, but it's important that you download this one first because it does require its own individual project. Okay, if you're already signed in on a website, for example, and you wanted to do it that way, you could just click Add to My Assets and it'll be available just simply by clicking My Assets in the Asset Store. But I would say it's easier to go through Unity itself to find all these. Okay, so Unity Particle Pack, first of all, 139 megabytes, and it's free. The Sci-Fi Gun Lite, just 20 megabytes. Sci-Fi Gun Sounds Pack Lite, and feel free to preview those in SoundCloud. This one's only 165 kilobytes, which is great. Grenade sound effects. We don't need that one, that's an older particle pack, ignore that. Sci-Fi Barrels 40 sample. This one's free. There's also a paid version of this, but go with a free one. This is fine. I'm also including, as a resource for this session, the basement and sewerage modular location that was formerly available on the Unity Asset Store for free, but is no longer available on there. It's been withdrawn for some reason. So I'm providing this as a resource. You'll find it as a zip file. Just open this, and it's got the Unity package file inside. Just ensure that you extract that. And then obviously you can just click on that in order to install it directly into Unity.